Today we're going to be making everybody's favorite, potatoes au gratin. But we're not going to make it from a box. That's right, we're going to make it from scratch. Let's get started. We're going to need about 3 or 4 taters, depending on how big you get. These are all from the garden. I'm going to get them peeled right now. You know how we peel. Peel! Amazing! Now we're going to slice these taters. And you know how we do. Slice! Very nice! I'm going to push all this over and we're going to mince some garlic. 4 cloves exactly. And of course you know how we do this. Mince. Amazing. Now we're going to throw the food chopper to it, just to give it a little bit finer chop. Now in a large mixing bowl, we're going to mix 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, half a cup of milk. You can use 2%. I've only got whole, so that'll be sufficient. We're going to toss our garlic in there, 2 tablespoons of flour. Then we're going to add salt. I'm going to do about maybe half a teaspoon. And pepper. And then we can check that and add more if we need. Now we're going to whisk this. Whiskey, whiskey, whiskey. No, no, no. We're not drinking. Now let's use our tablespoon of butter and just kind of grease that pan real good all over. And let's put our taters in the pan and we'll spread them out to where they're nice and even. Try to separate any that are kind of stuck together. They're not going to be perfect, but if you can kind of get them pulled apart to where the sauce can get in between the slices, it'll just help the flavor. Now our mixture, we're going to pour it all over. Looks pretty good. Now we're going to cover this with foil, put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Alright, it's been 20 minutes. Now we're going to remove the foil. Check out what we got so far. It looks so good. We're going to put that back in the oven, let the taters get a little bit softer for about 40 minutes, and then we're going to take it out and add cheese to the top. Alright, it's been in the oven for a total of an hour now. So we're going to put a cup of cheese. This is just mild cheddar cheese, shredded. I'll sprinkle that on top. And if it doesn't completely cover, you might need a little bit more than 1 cup of cheese, but you don't want to like make it too cheesy, if there is such a thing. Alright, good enough. But one more thing. You know what's a great addition to anything with taters? Parsley. Makes it a nice garnish as well. Now, let's put that back in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. And look at that. Potatoes au gratin. So delicious looking. Taters are going to be soft and tender and cheesy and full of flavor. Very easy recipe. You need to try it today. There'll be a recipe in the description below so you can make this for yourself. You know I gotta try it. Look at there. I hope it's not too hot. Oh! This time we're going to blow on it. It's pretty good. Now, maybe next time, and for you, try doing maybe double the salt. So maybe a teaspoon of salt, but nothing more than that. It's really good the way it is. I'm kind of a heavy salt eater sometimes, so it wouldn't hurt for me to cut it back. But try that, and hope you all have a great night. See you next time on J. Ray's Kitchen.